loves. So as you can see from the title, your girl is going to Jamaica. Woo! So yeah guys, I'm going to Jamaica. Today is Thursday, June 2nd, and I leave Monday the 7th. So you know, before you go you have to do like a lot of stuff, pay your bills, then make sure everything in check, and you know, so like honestly, like I'm running around like a chicken with head would just cut off. Like seriously, like I have so much stuff to do. My car, so it's June, I have to get an oil change and car inspection before I leave. I have to go to bank, get some money, pay my car payment, car insurance, phone bill, everything, water bill, stuff I have to get paid. So you know, we don't want a late fees or nothing like that, because we never miss a late fee in our life, right? So yeah, I'm here now at the bank. I'm gonna get some money, then I'm gonna go pay my my car payment and stuff, and then go to the mall and just look, because I still feel like I don't have like enough stuff yet for Jamaica, because I am gonna be spending a month in Jamaica. We'll see if I don't change my mind. You know, I can always change my ticket and come up sooner, but the plan is to spend a month ayad. So you know, I have to make sure that I have enough clothes and stuff. And plus you know, Bath and Body Works have a sale. Their room spray about $3.25, so I wanted to get some. And Guess they sent me $20 for my birthday, and you know, they like little discounts, so I'm gonna go in there and see if they have anything that I like and whatnot, because that expires the end of this month and I won't be here. So yeah, I just want to like take you guys along with me and like show what I'm doing, you know, before my departure to Jamaica. So yeah, you guys will see me. Excuse the roughness right now. My hair, I just literally like got up after I got out the shower, boom, I didn't wet it, put nothing in it, but you know, natural things, no makeup, nothing. So yeah, just follow me throughout this day. Okay guys, so I just got my car inspected and my oil change, $120 later. So now I'm at the mall. I'm gonna go look and guess and see what they have to offer, and then I have to go pick up my grandmother from work. I don't know if I'm going to show you guys like me in the store. I still don't know how to like feel with like having this camera out and like people just like staring at me. I don't know. I guess I
and then she's also going to bring her best friend, who she's abandoning for a month, even though his birthday is July 3rd. She's going to bring him something to eat because she loves him so much.
Bring you something to eat?
I'll take Krabby Patty Deluxe extra cup fries, put the patty on the bun in the fryer, and let it simmer.
Guys, that's my annoying best friend Adam, who's on the phone.
Oh yes, follow me on Snapchat. That's Keen_A142. Okay, thank you, people.
You guys hear him, go follow him on Snapchat. But yeah, so I'm about to go in the mall now, go look and guess. And yeah, if I take you guys out, you'll see. If not, then I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me because I have my fan on, because like, I don't know, a piece of hotness just come over me. And like, guys, I'm here trying to pack. I don't know why I wait last minute to like do everything. So today is Friday. Usually like before time, like when I'm like younger, my dad don't pack for me like in a January. Like if I know that I'm going, like if my book from like January or February, I start pack for Jamaica, that I'm going like in June or whatever. But no, I know it's coming like as I get older, I just get more lazy, and I don't know. But so right now I just have fling some clothes in a suitcase. Honestly, I can't even like say put this to this or that to that, because like I can't bother to like unpack and pack and stuff. And like guys, I can't show you my room right now. A bag everywhere, tag, Wally past independent ground and stuff. And like I got like some packages from Amazon today, so you know, enough Amazon box and stuff on my ground. I mean, I'm gonna show you guys the bed, like when I'll show you guys like what I'm working with like right now. Alright, so this is the suitcase, you see it, me put on the bed or whatever, and like I'm just packing. Here's like all the clothes that has to go in there in my bag with all the tags and stuff. And like me still have enough sitting for going there. Me have like 2 shoes for going in here and stuff, and like candy and stuff. Like guys, me stress out like time I catch up on me, like seriously. We do my COVID test today. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to go to the hair store, and I just like wet my hair because like it was like looking real dry and just ridiculous. So yeah, I'm going to the hair store right now to buy my braiding hair for Jamaica. You guys don't know like everything in Jamaica there, so I try to bring like what I can to like save myself a little bit of money or whatever. And like you know, sometimes the, you know, the area people them, they give you like a deal if you buy like a whole bunch pack of hair. And I plan on I'm doing my hair 2 times while I'm down there, so I'm gonna need like a lot of braid because you know, my head is big and I'm have woolly hair or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then hair store and I want to go to Ulta, probably like pick up like a foundation and a couple brushes or whatever, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to like wash my brushes or stuff. Guys, I'm just like so damn like last minute, but yeah, so you go. And then I want to go to Pink, although I don't need no more underwear and stuff because I have like a lot. But I don't know, I just feel like when I go on vacation I just want like new, like all new like underwears, even though I still have stuff on tag. Like I want like at least a good 30 pairs, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna go there, pick up some underwear, probably get a little bit more gas, yeah, and yeah, that's it. All right guys, so I'm in the hair store right now and I don't know what color I should get, you know, for a little pop. I don't know if I should do like color for my birthday, but I'm gonna get the Victoria pre-stretch because it's easier. Usually Jamaican people use expression, but they don't have expression. Again, it seems like they don't use it no more. Okay. Alright, good morning guys. I just woke up, so please mind my appearance right now. But so I went to use the bathroom. I hear my grandmother rattling and she's like repacking her carry-on, right? And guys, like I'm gonna just show you, okay? I'm gonna just show you. Look here, look. Look at this carry on. Do you see this? Like, it is like super high. Like, this cannot fit in the overhead bin. But my grandmother don't care. But I know they're gonna say something about it, honestly. Probably when she go to the gate, probably they're gonna just have to check it on for you or something. Which would have been good, so then she just walked through the airport with her bag. But no, this is serious. But yeah, I'm about to finish packing up all my stuff and then get my room together and situated and stuff. And then we're gonna go out and do our feet and eyebrows and stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but right now I'm currently at the pharmacy getting my second COVID shot. And yeah, I just guess I'd show you guys since this is like becoming more popular or whatever. But yeah, I just decided to get my COVID vaccine just to help protect myself in case I do get it, you know? So yeah. Guys, can you see anything different? I got my eyebrows done. I look like a whole brand new person. They look so good. I got them threaded. And little shit, nice. That's some of my eyebrows. You like them? Yeah. It was like super bushy. I know. They are good to go. Okay guys, so I'm at my aunt's right now and she's still packing and stuff. And like, I'm gonna show you guys her living room. You guys know that she's like building a house or whatever and stuff. And just some stuff just never made it to like be shipped and stuff. Like, just look. I like everything but here. She have tissue, she have fan, she have toothpaste and soap, she have shoes, all these like decorations and stuff. Like, look, like all this stuff. And she trying to force them to go down. No. Which, well, they can't go. I'm blocking, so you want to... You want to say it to you?
Eh? See, I'm telling me, come and tell her shoes them. Because them can't fit in there.
That's my shoes.
No, yeah, but you go to, you might go little boy in Jamaica. Tyler, remember Tyler? You like you do that.
But, guys, pack up.
No, that's my shoes.
Oh, yeah.
So she go try with the shoes. Oh, God. Well, guys, I'm about to go drop off these kids, and I'm gonna go home and finish pack up my my carry-on and my purse or whatever. Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna just end this vlog right here, and this is the end of my like get ready with me while I do my errands and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the first Jamaica vlog. Bye. This is what my aunt is dealing with right now. TV, this, that. Guys, Miss Sato already. Like, I don't know if you guys can see her, but she over there and she has like so much overweight problems. Like, oh god. Like, look at that. Hi guys, so as you guys know, I am going to Jamaica. Well, I'm in Jamaica now, but like I didn't really vlog a intro because like this morning was just like so hectic and there was like so much overweight and bagging and stuff, and like almost missed the plane because like the connected flight was like so close to like the previous flight or whatever. So I didn't really get a chance to like pull out my camera or whatever because like I was rushing on stuff. Quick gist, you know, I'm overweight and stuff. I spent $375 for overweight and excess baggage. I'm coming to Jamaica. I'm gonna pay $34,000 at customs for my damn electronics. Then see with my MacBook, I'm a tablet, I'm a camera and stuff, and then just say, yo, like me have to pay a fee or whatever because it's outside of the $500 duty allowance or whatever. And like honestly, that make no sense to me because if I'm going on vacation, I want to walk with my stuff and I shouldn't have to freaking pay for it or whatever. But anyways, put that aside. I don't know, this trip is just like starting off like so bad or whatever. I had to deal with all the overweights, and then like we paid customs. The machine was down, so I couldn't pay them. Well, worse, my little friend come, if you know what I mean, the time my month, and I'm just like so upset, you know what I mean? But you know, I saw you go or whatever. And like I'm so hungry, I'm so tired. I haven't slept since Sunday morning. No, Saturday night. Whenever I woke up Sunday, I didn't go back to sleep. I know on Monday I nearly 3 o'clock in the evening or whatever. But yes, so yeah, I'm here. I'm hungry, so I'm about to go get something to eat. And I'm here with the yes, I'm here with what should we call him? But yes, I'm here with him. So yeah, and we're about to go get something to eat. Probably go to a jerk center. I did want curry goat and rice and peas, but I guess he wanted something different, so it's all about him and not about me, right?
Like really?
Maybe like really. Let me tell you something, we want curry goat and rice and peas.
You make a pass, please.
Me make your pass? Yeah. You make other people go to it so they want damn jerk or whatever. But stuff. So yeah guys, we're on our way to go get something to eat. Do you have something you want to say to them?
Good day.
Good day. That's it. Are you excited to see me?
Yeah.
Why they can't hear you. You have to talk loud. Remember, I don't have a mic on my phone.
Loud.
You have to talk loud.
Yes.
You saying like yeah. And guys, sorry for this damn beeping in the car. I don't know like how to turn it off or what is it. And it's like really annoying the hell out of me. Alright guys, so we're at Sharky's right now getting some food, even though I want to go, but I guess I'll try this because this has been on my aunt's bucket list. You have nothing you want to say? No? So I'll show you guys my food when it gets here. So we've been waiting like about 30 minutes for the food, and I'm like getting hot and tormented and I'm so hungry, and it's still not here yet. So guys, I got curry shrimp, that's steamed fish, curry shrimp, and this little bit of curry shrimp. Alright, so guys, we just finished eating at Sharky's. We get the curry shrimp or whatever, and we get mostly like 6 little pieces of shrimp for $2,200. Oh God, excuse me, I burp, but that don't mean say food did good. Me not even like your food. I'm gonna spend about $6,000 on what, one steamed fish and curry shrimp, And it wasn't worth it. And I wasn't even full. I like, guys, look at cider ice, so didn't give me, I swear, I was like literally 1 spoon. I'm in an eat from yesterday evening. I don't know. I don't know if I don't know if I true Mother Nature come. I'm just like in a bad spirit and bad mood, and every little thing is just like pissing me off or whatever. But like, I don't know. I just not feel good. Honestly, I just want to sleep and wake up tomorrow and like really start back these vlogs. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm on my way to go home now. Well, hopefully go home and like unwind and stuff. Oh, you want to kiss? You want to kiss on the camera?
Remember, I'm driving.
Yeah. So you're not gonna make me dead. I'm gonna live no life yet. Guys, we'll pack up in my car. I'm a suitcase them in my trunk and on the back seat. Alright guys, let me put on my damn seatbelt before. You see you nearly my bag drop out?
I mean, nearly make your bag drop.
Yes, cause you're driving so damn hard.
Police up.
Oh, I gotta put on my seatbelt. Right?
Yeah, jeez, I'm see police up there.
Oh. I didn't have on my seatbelt, guys. It make us stop? Rascal, we stop. Jesus Christ. Why?
What?
Afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Why you overtaking down there?
Overtaking where? There's something they stop in the road and I'm
No,
going.
man, you don't overtake none of that.
I don't overtake,
Who's
something did stop. One car,
Car
did
that
different
stop.
side.
Yes, the car, this little car don't go to stop.
One car different. Hold on, 1 second, sir.
Let me see that for you. Drive with that.
License. Here's the license.
Where you run back? You run back with your phone.
I'm a girlfriend I got pick up a while ago at the airport. My girlfriend pick up at the airport.
It's a $1,000 ticket, alright? Not major.
None major. Can I be a blind, sir, please?
You blind, ain't done.
Since when?
In 4 o'clock.
Yes, sir, please,
What time
man. Please, uncle. Make a
Stop
like.
4.
Must
Just
back
go
up.
down for me, yeah?
Like I swear, every freaking like from guys, like from my trip, like started a whole bunch of bad stuff that's been freaking happening to me. I know this. Sure. I can't stand, Jamaica just made me fucking sick. Fucking Andrew, the World Customs, I'm sitting with just $500. No police and top all blind stop from freaking 3 p.m. Guys, I'm so freaking upset right now. And we all traveling together and they still stop. I know, see my granny dad come and then my uncle come stop, come check because we got pulled over. Oh boy. What's it in there?
Me.
We won't let we apart.
No, man, I will allow you that travel.
So it does the police officer give a ticket for freaking $1,000. I know $1,000 is nothing, but still, like what? Because then they say ain't try to overtake or whatsoever. Could I give away a blind or whatever? Talk about blind stop give from 3 o'clock. I swear they just pick and choose who they send in. Nothing more than trying to say freaking suitcase to me and I can't think send me out money or whatever. Ugh. I swear, Jamaica just get like making me more and more sick. Like I don't like how the freaking government like operates on something that they pick and choose who. You know what I mean? Like I don't know. I just don't like how things run. They need to like what would you say? Better laws are like our kick out Andrew is something. I'm PMP stepping right, B.
Yeah, baby.
Comment, I don't want this to turn into like a whole like political thing, but comment down below if you have PMP or JL. I don't even know the other one. What is it? No, leave it right there, PMP. No, but JLP or what? Jamaica some JLP or something, right? Or
Yeah, Jamaica Labour Party.
Oh yeah, but yeah, PMP or Labour, right? My family grew up as a PNP, so let me know. Showa or Poa. Me, what police officer say?
Say ticket book have finished today.
Mm-hmm.
And at 22 pages now and I second ticket man give out from there. And night I come. So you don't have no mercy for nobody today. Whether you, as long as you're out the line, yeah, I get the ticket. He said, I'm lucky.
But Jesus Christ. To be honest, I didn't even hear when the police officer was telling him that, because I was just like in the car vexed. I'm just like, all this bad stuff was just happening to me as Mikayla or whatever. You see all them freaking sitting there didn't just want to ticket people. But why does it have to be like a set like goal, like you have to ticket somebody? I mean, you out here to like, yes, you and like bad stuff go on, but it shouldn't be like a goal to say you have to ticket 20 people today.
Yeah,
they just want to make freaking money, and then what did Andrew not with the money or whatever?
That's how it could be. What me I gotta do? They might enforce the law, so
yeah, enforce the law. I understand that, but like, not just get ticket because you're off the gear. You know what I mean, guys? And it wasn't even us who did overtake. It was the car in front of us that did do it. You know what I mean? Why? I tell you.
So you might not go too fast.
Jamaica people corrupt, you know.
Him did I go fast and then can't stop him, so that's why they stopped me.
And then stop my baby.
Well, it's just $1,000.
Just $1,000. What do you mean just $1,000? Now could I give me a 5-piece KFC chicken wing? What are you talking about? Just $1,000?
Yeah, you could I get 10 piece.
No, I could get 10 piece. 10 piece, so I want like about $200, $300 money.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. No, but still, $1,000. Could I like go to something else besides?
I get some money when you need.
Oh yeah, exactly. No, you damn. Who get when you pay ticket money? Where do you go to? Tax office, you say?
Yeah,
I ain't going to government. And what government to do with the money? We don't know. Anyways, like I said, I'm not about to make this like this little portion of the vlog political and all that type of stuff, you know. But yeah. Oh.
She was just about brown bread.
Brown bread?
White bone bread and one bread. I'm brown, 2 white and 1 brown.
So when they eat brown bread?
Eat brown bread? So I said, but Mikayla don't eat brown bread. I want Mikayla to start eating brown bread. And I didn't want to have this. So we guide him there. We guide him. We just give one glass of... We want you surprise.
She surprised our sister.
We never surprise the world, sir. But we say we don't want to have it here. We don't make Mikayla come and turn her car back. And Mikayla go sit up in first. Or they don't come at me out.
Alright guys, so in the last clip you saw that my grandmother had went to her sister's and surprised her. Originally my grandmother's sister, she knew that I was coming or whatever, because you know I was going to celebrate my birthday in Jamaica. But my grandmother never disclosed to her that she was also coming, so you know, we just put a little surprise on her. My grandmother loves just like giving surprises or whatever. So yeah, I do too. I really don't like when people know when I'm coming to Jamaica. I just like to like pop up and be like, oh, why you never tell me say I'm coming, or oh, you're there, or you know, then we there. So I went to like my 2 cousins' job. I missed them and they were frightened, but I never caught their reaction because I didn't really like pull up my camera out and like in a supermarket them or whatever, you know. But guys, I really didn't do nothing today, as you guys can see. You know, it was just like airports, and you know, I just wasn't having like a really good day. So anyway, came home. I kind of unpacked, kind of didn't. So yeah, there's like literally like clothes and stuff everywhere and stuff. I just like washed off. I feel so much better, and now I can't wait to go to sleep. I think I really just needed some sleep because I recently got my COVID shot yesterday, Sunday, right before I traveled, and I didn't get a chance to sleep. So I feel like I really just needed to sleep to really like, you know, let my body, I don't know, do whatever it's supposed to do with it. So yeah, I'm gonna go sleep now. I'm waiting on guys, I'm serious, we have to give him a name. I don't know if you guys like hun, babes, or I don't know. Well anyways, I'm waiting on BF's, yeah, or Boo, I don't know. Well, I'm waiting on him to come out the shower, so we can like have pillow talk and then go to bed, because you know we can't do nothing, because you know Mother Nature, she just keep me in my eyes. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Bye.